Hello everybody, it's Sakaki Chrono here, and I'm going to review the new Link Strike starter deck. So yeah, there's the front, side, advertising Duel Links. Yeah, probably not. And then there's the back. Yeah. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got here. Oh, there's Bitron right here in the flap. That's interesting. So first and foremost is the deck, which comes in this. Then the rule book and the mat. So the mat looks something like this. This is the new mat in which the pendulum zones have been moved from the sides into the spell and trap card zones. And there are only 2 extra monster zones for your special summon from the extra deck. And the graveyard has now been abbreviated GY, and there's your deck. Not seeing a banishing zone, so I wonder where that went. But yeah, those are the basic changes to the thing. Why there's no banish zone, but oh well. Next we have the beginner's guide. So ignore that. And it tells you how to play the game. We all know this. Yeah, showing us the cards. Battling. More rules. More rules. Playing cards. What happens after I play all the cards in my hand? Well, who asked that? Nobody asked that. Oh, okay. Yep. Here's more explanations. Right here. Nope. Okay, here we go. Here's something about the spell and trap card zone. Why is the graveyard shortened? I don't know. Place your extra deck. Yep. Here we go. The extra monster zone is where you summon this, where you put monsters that are summoned to the field by special methods from the extra deck. Like link monsters and fusion monsters, so is it suggesting using link and fusion mostly? Normally each player can only use one of these zones, normally. So then there's a possible way to use both of them? Okay then. Monster placed in this zone does not count towards the 5 monster limit of your main monster zone. Link monsters. Oops. Okay. This is easier. Okay. Sorry. Link monsters. A link monster is a new kind of monster with the ability to increase the number of monsters you can summon from your extra deck. So it's pendulum, but not. In addition to the 1 extra monster zone you can use, you can also summon monsters from the extra deck in any of your main zones as right. We already knew that. Link arrows, link materials, a link rating, which you can just call link numbers. What the heck's the difference? How to link summon, because obviously the anime doesn't teach us that at all. Check the materials, during your main phase, yeah. That's nice. Oh, here we go. More facts about link monsters. Yep. Wait, what? Okay. But link monsters open up more zones, yada. They can link monster points. Monsters that start in the extra deck but later end up in the graveyard or are banished and are summoned from there also go in the main monster. Okay. So if you send monsters from your extra deck to your graveyard, you can special them in the main monster zone. Okay. Normally 1 monster equals 1 link material, but yes, we know that. Recipe, okay. Yep. Wait. If you take control of your opponent's monster in the extra monster zone, it moves to your main monster zone. When it goes back to your opponent, it goes to their main monster zone, not the extra monster zone. Okay. As long as the materials meet the requirements of the link monster you want to summon, you can use a token or a trap card that is treated as a monster as the link material. That's interesting. Remember that when you link summon, you need to meet 3 goals. The amount of materials you use matches the link number. The number of materials you use meets the number specified in the materials on the recipe. Materials match any other requirements in the materials line, such as only affect monsters, only a specific type of monster. Pendulum summoning. Forget that. It's dead. XZ summoning. I don't know if that's going to be used right now. Synchro summoning. Maybe. I don't know. Fusion summoning. That seems more likely somehow. And at the way back, it's rituals. Oh, wait. They were dead since GX. That's that. There's my commentary on the new rule book, or the updated rule book. Next. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. The deck. Time to unwrap it, I guess. Oh. Nothing like the sound of fresh cards being opened in... What time is it? 2 in the afternoon. Alright. So, there's the front. There's the back. Nothing new there. Got Link Slayer. A nice foil. Decode Talker, which I might call it Decade Talker, if anybody gets that reference. Got Ram Clouder. Oh shoot, there goes the Link deck. 1 second. Okay. We've got Honeybot. Yep, and we've got Link Spires, so you've got the first 3 links there. We've got temporary VRains Karibo here. We've got Draconet, Galaxy Serpent, which I'm not hyped for. See, now it's interesting. Why do we have a tuner here in this deck? Now I'm thinking that you can also use it for synchro summoning. You've got Mystery Shell Dragon, so there's nothing much there. Beast King Barbaros, still nothing there. Cyber Dragon. Well, there's my 3rd copy. And I'll separate this like Photon Thrasher, which I'm surprised is here. We've got Exarion Universe, which I've never heard of. Evil Swarm Mandragora. Well, at least I've heard of Evil Swarm. Good old Marauding Captain. We've got a Sangen, which I've seen somewhere before. Curry Bandit, which I remember was in the DDD structure deck, which was absolute garbage in my opinion. Marshmallow, which, if I'm not mistaken, besides being used in the movie, was also used in YGO Labo for showing of Link summoning. Card D, which is a card I see used often against the bot on Dueling Nexus when it tries to stall for fusion summoning. Raikou Lightsworn Hunter, because gotta include all of them here. Battle Fader, which is nice, even though I already have like 1 or 2 of those somewhere. Swift Scarecrow, which is also good. That's great. Effect Viler, which I've never heard of, but it's another tuner. 2 tuners in a row, huh? Okay. So, in terms of monsters, this deck is only like 7 cards are actually related to the archetype, and the rest you could call filler. Yep. Okay, let's hope this doesn't end up like the Synchro Arc of Arc 5. Okay. Next we've got Signet Universe, Monster Reincarnation. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. We've got Dark Hole, everyone's favorite MST, Book of Moon, Forbidden Lands. So far all these cards are seeming familiar. United We Stand, Pot of Duality, Burden of the Mighty, which I haven't seen before, Supply Squad, which I've seen before, Terraforming, which I've seen before, and now it's time for the traps. No, not the gay ones, just the regular cards. We've got a Dark Bribe, Phoenix Chain. So far, I've seen all of these. Compulsory Evacuation Device, Bottomless Trap Hole, Ring of Destruction I've seen before, Torrential Tribute I think I've seen before somewhere, Jar of Avarice I've seen before on Duel Links, Call of the Haunted I've seen before, and everybody's favorite, Mirror Force. That's right. You can't have Yu-Gi-Oh without Mirror Force. Alright, that's it for this video. Next video will be me, putting these into some nice card sleeves that I got. And then, and yeah, showing them off in my deck box. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, etc. And that was the review of the Link Strike starter deck. Bye.